All the fun of foosball, without taking up the majority of a game room with an expensive table. Compact size enables easy storage and portability for condensed fun anywhere with a table or flat surface. Includes 2 soccer-style foosball balls, 2 manual sliders for keeping score, and dual endball returns. 4 rows of players, with 3 players per row, including a goalkeeper per side with different colored jerseys. Dimensions: 20L x 121/2 W x 4D. The Mainstreet Classics 20-inch tabletop foosball game creates all the fun of foosball, without taking up nearly as much space and without breaking the bank. Its compact size enables easy storage as well as portability for condensed fun anywhere with a table or flat surface. The table topper has 4 rows of players, with 3 players per row. This includes a goalkeeper on each side that have different colored jerseys. The Mainstreet Classics 20-inch tabletop foosball game includes 2 soccer-style foosball balls, 2 manual sliders for keeping score, and dual endball returns. Dimensions: 20L x 121/2 W x 4D. Top reviews from the United States. Works as described. Good return on investment. There were multiple similar-looking products and I went for the cheaper one. I am not expecting a German precision engineering from a product in this range, and it was a great value for the price I paid. Children are happy, which is important during the shelter-in-place situation.